So as you can see here, guys, they have the LED Fire TV, and this is going for $79.99, guys. And this is Black Friday deals, early Black Friday deals, guys.
What about like after Black Friday? The sales continue how long after Black Friday?
Usually what happens is Black Friday, it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
And Monday.
Because Monday is Cyber Monday.
I'm in love with this headphone, guys. It is so nice. Gaming headphone, and it's only for $99.
Like every Thursday and Friday for the month,
Right.
they've been running specials.
It literally blocks out the sound from outside. I cannot hear what's going on around me.
Yo, you know it's the Ren and Nessa show. You can get it right here. Come on over and take a tour.
What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. And as you don't know, this is your boy Ren.
And your girl Nessa, guys.
Yeah, guys, and as you can see behind us, guys, we are at Best Buy. And you know, guys, this is 1 week before Black Friday. And as you all know, Best Buy is the home for electronics. So we're gonna take you into Best Buys and we're gonna show you what you can get on Black Friday, guys. So stay with us and come along. Yeah, guys, and so in Best Buy have a lot of different sections there, and as you know, it's an electronic store. So we're gonna start with this section first and show you what they have. This is a Samsung, and this is going for $549, guys.
And you see, guys, it's
Black Friday deal. So these are early Black Friday deals, guys. Early Black Friday. Over here they have is it the same size?
no.
Which size?
See size there, 50 inch.
Oh, yeah, this is a 50 inch. But what the price for this one?
The price.
See the price, yeah. And for this 50 inch, guys, the price is for $299. Black Friday.
Look on TV.
So if you want to get ahead of time, if you want to get ahead of the rush, come on down to Best Buy so you can get your early bird Black Friday deals. Let's
And
go
you
around
have-
here.
You want to show the 45, 43?
And they have the 45 one too?
43.
42 inch?
Come over there, side.
Yeah, guys, and this right here now they have the 42 inch. And the 42 inch, guys, is for $249. And this is the 43 inch. Guys, trust me,
Samsung.
Samsung. And Samsung is a good brand. Let's go over here.
So as you can see here, guys, they have the LED Fire TV, and this is going for $79.99, guys. And this is Black Friday deals, early Black Friday deals, guys. And they have it a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot of TV inside here. And what's this now?
Like monitor. Same, it's the same. Come on for this. Look on this.
Guys, as we said, Best Buy is the home for electronic. This is what size?
77-inch.
77-inch TV. 1,999.
LG.
LG.
I can show them.
This is a nice TV inside. This is what? 85. QD. This is a all these TVs are smart TV.
Sales here too. And the Go Tracks, the scooter bikes. For
Yeah.
$349, guys. For the scooter bikes, they have deals going on them for that.
That's a good price. Because normally these things are way expensive. Yeah. And these are some stuff for what? Like
The gears.
for riding your bikes and to lock your bike. $8 for a lock
I can
like
show
this.
them out of the box.
Yeah, this is how it looks, guys, outside of the box. Nice helmet. Black Friday early bird sale is on at Best Buy.
This is nice. I would love this for myself. And Ronaldo. This one is for $2,799, guys.
Yeah,
This looks really nice.
Yeah. You just have to have a nice space. And then them have the bike here too. The bicycle. And this bike is going forward.
$799, guys.
$799.
Yes, guys, we're seeing that they have more TV on top of TV. And this is the Toshiba. And 50-inch is 50-inch Toshiba. And it's going for $299, guys.
$299.
Remember $299, $229.
$229.
In a blur? Yeah, that's just okay. We have some smaller LG over here.
Yeah, guys, there.
48-inch LG, guys. And this one is going for $599.
One thing I know about Best Buy, when it comes to electronics, especially TV, they have every single kind of TV.
TLC. So guys, we've seen that they have Canon printer here. And this is going for $299, guys.
This big printer.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? This is an industrial printer, you know?
Yes,
Office
it is.
office
printer.
for $299.
99.
Let me show them what this. And these are some smaller printers.
Yeah, printer.
Yeah, these
Yes,
are the
guys,
smaller ones.
the HP disc jack printer.
Yeah. This is good for your house. Home purpose.
Yeah, everybody should have a printer in their home. And let me see the prices. What? This is ridiculous. $39.
Guys, see what we're talking about?
Yeah.
$39 for this printer. Black Friday deals.
We have Dell monitor. They have Dell monitor over here. Let me see.
Oh, this is like for work purpose?
No, like it's just a computer monitor. Whether work or home. And this one is going for $229, guys. This is not bad for a Dell monitor.
Wow.
We have LG monitor here, $79. This is ridiculous.
And this is a 20.
7-inch.
This is a 27-inch. Wow.
Oh, there are two. I think. Yes. Hold on.
Yeah, man.
The 27-inch. No, 24-inch.
No, this is a 24-inch one. And this is
Yeah.
So this 24 inch is for $79, and this one is for $99.
But it's still cheap.
Of course. Wow.
Show them this. I would want a monitor like this.
This is nice.
This bad.
This bad.
I love this one.
The screen can in three.
Yeah.
And the price, guys.
for $1,799.
The price,
I mean, it's worth it.
It's more than worth it.
Yeah, unusual.
And I guess this is the box that it comes in.
Yeah.
Mm.
Look at that.
This is nice. And maybe it can rotate too.
Yeah,
Maybe it can.
Maybe it can, yeah.
Yeah, this really look good.
Yeah, more than likely it can rotate.
Yeah, I like this. Yeah, guys, and we're going up again, and then
These are more, and this is no HP monitor. Yes, guys, this is for $119. But these are reasonable though. I ain't gonna lie.
yeah, because this is early bird
Yeah.
Black Friday deals, so that's why the prices are like that. I love this keyboard. The light. This is for gaming though. Turn again. You look like you're a pilot.
Yeah?
You look like you're a pilot.
I am in the future. Yes, guys, this is awesome. It literally blocks out the sound from outside. I cannot hear what's going on around me, but only what's playing in the microphone. I'm in love with this headphone, guys. It is so nice. Gaming headphone, and it's only for $99.
$99.
Yeah, for such a nice
Jesus.
headphone.
Really nice.
And
You
the keyboards.
can talk to it and all of that.
The keyboards are going for $149. The mini one and the bigger one, $229. Not bad at all.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get one of
Oh,
those.
sure, they have two podcasts.
Yeah.
They have two different brands.
This mic is for your podcast.
Hyper and Turtle Beach.
Nice.
So the headphone for Hyper is $199. The keyboard, the small one is for $99, and the small one for $75, and the large one is for $99.
Wow.
Yeah.
Deals.
Yes, guys, so now I'm in the phone section and camera section. Phone first, then we go to the camera section. So I'm seeing here, we all know the flip.
For me, I wouldn't buy.
Galaxy Z Flip 6.
I wouldn't buy one of these phones for my personal use.
Yeah.
Because I don't trust the ribbon
The ribbon and burst.
inside.
I like this one.
Yeah, this is nice.
You know,
This
when I
nice.
try one of them.
Fold it. Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like
What's the price on them?
1,899. Very expensive.
Yeah.
But it's nice though.
Yeah, beautiful. And then they have the watch.
Samsung Galaxy Watch.
And these watch pair with your phone too.
Yeah, it does. But you can always change the band, guys, you know. If you don't like the orange, you can always change it. Or probably this, no, this one come like this ring.
You can't change?
They must sell ring. You have the Galaxy S24 Ultra here, guys. You need to upgrade. This is upgrading. And then the Galaxy S24 Plus. What I said the Ultra, but what do you think? The Ultra.
We provide the Ultra.
You know, like it seems smaller. Isn't? Now we're in the camera section. What is this one? Oh, the Canon camera.
Look like a little body cam. Yeah, body, you know?
$349 for this one.
Yeah, guys, and if you need good vlogging cameras for your personal use or professional use, you know, Best Buy really have the home for cameras too. Yeah.
Nikon, my baby.
Yeah, guys, and everything that we are showing you right now is Black Friday deals, and all of these prices are early Black Friday deals, guys.
Come with the lens.
Yeah, it come with it.
Let me see.
Nice.
$999. Let me see which 7,500. I think this is next one. 8.
Yes.
See, baby.
Hey guys, actually we're vlogging from this camera right now, guys, and we also get our cameras. Most of our equipment that we use, we get them from gadgets. We get them from Best Buy. So this is actually the same camera that we're vlogging from right now.
Yes, guys, so we're seeing 4 different kind of drone here, and this is the one that we have. It's the one that we're using now. I think this is the Air Tree. Yes, guys, and the prices are here. This is for $1,549, guys. And this one is, let me see which one of the Mavic is this. Mavic 3 Pro. So it's, yeah, this is the Air and this is the Mavic 3 Pro. And then we have this little one here, this tiny one, Neo drone for $199. And then we have the mic. We use this mic, guys, the DJI mic, very good mic, and it's for $349. And then we have these here. We have the action camera for $229. They have the action camera for $229, yes, guys. And then they have the Osmo Pocket. Yes, guys, I really love this one. And this is for $669, guys.
Yeah.
And we use the Roden. We also use the Roden here.
And they have some nice little GoPros here too.
Yeah.
These
These are
GoPros.
all the GoPros, I believe.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they're on Black Friday deals too.
Yeah, guys.
The 12 and the 13 ring. So the 12, $299, and the 13, as you can
So
see.
this is the 12. For $2.99.
Yeah.
Nice.
And the 13 for $339.
This is the 13, guys.
And then you get a kit. You can buy the kit.
Oh, you get a selfie stick with this one,
Yeah.
and then
GoPro Hero 13 creditors. So you have kits with the stick and the mic, the light. Yeah, guys, it's a good buy.
So with the prices that we see with the red on the side, all those are, like, for instance, these were the red.
Every time you see the red on any of the stickers in this store,
Right.
that means it's on sale.
It's on sale.
And they'll also show you specials that'll be like if you have a Best Buy membership.
Okay.
Sometimes things will be less money. Like okay, hey, you buy this TV set, it's say $800. But if you have the Best Buy membership, which is either 50 or 170, depending on whether you want to have other factors in it.
Oh,
Maybe the TV's now $200 cheaper.
exactly.
You know.
And one more question I want to ask you. We see some signs say Black Friday deals.
Yeah.
So
like when you walk in the front
when
door.
you walk in the front door, you see the sign say Black Friday deals. Are those deals will be changing like closer to Black Friday? Like,
No, those will be
the same
prices.
price
Right.
on Black Friday.
Yep, and what they're doing is, remember, this has a lot to do with COVID and
Exactly, right.
what they're doing is they're trying to make it so everybody doesn't show up at the store on Black Friday.
Right, because
Spread it
previous
out.
years we realized that like Black Friday, people are sleeping outside
Do you
the
know how
store.
many people used to show up at the store?
Exactly.
It'd be like 800 people in the
They're
store.
sleeping outside the store from the night before,
right.
and we have to have law enforcement and stuff outside to monitor.
You've seen the thing with Walmart.
Yeah,
People get trampled to
we
death
saw
because
that.
they want to save money on the
So with Best Buy, they're trying to change all of that. So.
Yeah, different
there's
strategy.
run the sales
And I think that is
earlier
good though.
and spread it out.
And spread it out.
Like every Thursday and Friday for the month,
Right.
they've been running specials.
Okay.
And then that way people go, oh, like for example, that's a 48-inch OLED.
Right.
So people are like, oh, that would be perfect for my kids' room. So
Nice.
they come in here, it's relatively calm. They can get it, they can bring it home, they can hide it from their kids. But then,
Exactly.
I mean, did you ever go out on Black Friday?
Many times.
And is it like a mob scene?
It's
I mean,
crazy.
and doesn't it
It's
get kind of
crazy.
like, I mean, almost claustrophobic in the store.
Exactly.
You can't get any sales help.
Exactly.
There's nobody to answer any
Yeah.
questions.
So I think these are the best time to come and
Yeah.
shop for your Black Friday. What about like after Black Friday? The sales continue how long after Black Friday?
Usually what happens is Black Friday, it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
And Monday.
Because Monday is Cyber Monday.
Cyber Monday.
Right. And then what
okay.
happens is for the rest of the after that, I mean this is like the best time.
The best
Remember that now is the best really time. Like for example,
Right.
you have time to sit here and talk to me.
Exactly.
On Black Friday.
I'm not going to be
you're
able to do
gonna-
that.
Like I had a guy this morning who was interested. His TVs were from 2016,
Wow.
right? But he was like, they still work, but they're kind of slow. I'm like, you have no idea what's going to happen. So he came in here, he bought some TVs from me, and he had time. We talked about a new soundbar. He had an old Sonos soundbar.
Right.
The new one is so much better, like so much better.
Exactly.
And so, but I had time to talk to him.
Nice.
Nobody around us, nobody bothering us.
Yes.
So he ends up buying a huge order,
Oh, nice.
and we had plenty. I had time to ask him questions
Right.
to make sure everything was perfect. To really see what he wanted.
Right.
Come Black Friday, it's more like just grab and go, grab and go.
And
True.
the customer service at Best Buy is really good too, because for most of our gadget that we use, especially example for this camera that we're using right now.
Oh yeah.
We got it here. We got like our GoPros here and stuff. And you know, we always get a warm customer service.
Well, this store, I mean, Best Buy's like that. The reason I work at Best Buy is I retired twice.
Okay.
And then what happened is I was bored in retirement.
Okay.
So I was like, I want something to do. Now,
Right.
I used to come to Best Buy all the time
Right.
to like look at the computers and the TV sets and the sound bars and play with stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
And so I'm like, well, let me go work there for the holidays. Be
Yeah.
fun, you know?
Right.
So I was a store manager at lots of places. So
Oh.
when the guy's looking at my resume, he's like this.
Yeah.
Why are you in front of me?
Right.
You know? And I told him.
That's good.
And because I thought this would be a fun place to work because I already did. And I was right. It was so much fun to work here because like
Right.
the people you work with had the same passion about stuff.
Exactly.
And the customers were really fun. And it was a great
And they're
environment.
really informative. They know about the appliances and the electronics.
Well, the thing is, we have the problem with a lot of places in society nowadays is nobody knows anything,
exactly. And that's not good.
and that's not good. I mean, this is tough stuff to buy.
Exactly.
You come in, you don't know about
You need to
computers,
talk about it.
you don't know about cameras.
Right.
You know, we have camera experts here who
Yes.
literally are photographers.
That's what I realized.
Yeah.
Because like if you come to the front, you make a check-in and they ask you what section you want to go to.
Yeah, they'll call you.
Right. And then those persons that come to assist you are very professional people. Sorry, thank you for your time, man.
Welcome, man.
Definitely appreciate it.
Thank
Alright,
you.
same man. All right.
So first we gotta do that. That's the LG. That's the price. And this is the inside, guys.
Yeah, nice. And this one is very spacious. Can hold a lot of stuff.
I like it. This one.
All of these are LG.
No, some are Whirlpool.
Whirlpool.
This one is nice. Really cute. This is good ice tray. You see the ice come out and you just. Yes.
Yeah. Nice.
I can't open this one. This is a Whirlpool, guys. Whirlpool. It's not bad.
Yeah. 898. Good pricing.
Yes. Nice. Literally 2 fridge in a one.
Exactly. Trust me, guys. Best Buy is really the home for electronics.
I love
What brand
generic
is this? Oh,
electronic.
and this is for 1,439.
Guys, I like this one, to be honest.
Very nice. And the prices are really good.
Oh, and this nice. Like,
Yeah. And these look like,
water.
yeah. Oh, you got the one.
dispenser.
Oh,
This is nice.
Yeah. Okay.
I find this very fascinating.
Yeah. And all these are stainless steels, right?
Of course.
Yeah. Nice.
But I love this brand. I always love this brand. Show the one the money for me. Everybody likes this money thing. If I can't find one that is on. It's nice.
Spacious.
Yeah. I'm gonna show the brand. Oh, it's Samsung, guys.
Samsung. And you know, Samsung makes some of the best electronics
Yeah.
appliance. Yeah.
Yeah.
I love this. I like the material. The what you call this now?
the face.
This it feel like you can't get any fingerprint
Finger
on it.
mark.
You know sometimes you open your kids in and out of the fridge and then it leave a lot of finger marks.
Yes, guys, they have some small appliances here. I see what it is. It's a pizza oven.
This is really good to have
Yeah, really
at your
handy.
house. This is really, really good to have in your home. You know,
$269.
$269. This is nice. Yeah.
It's a mini fridge.
Yep.
And this is a wine cooler.
Yeah. This is a nice wine cooler. You know, when the boys come over, you can just open this, bam, take out a bottle of wine, and here you go. And the price, look at the price. $3.99. Can you beat this?
No, can beat it. No, I can beat it.
Yeah, guys. So they have a lot of
Yeah, a lot of appliances.
a lot of refrigerators
Yeah,
and
LG.
LG.
Oh, this look sexy.
This is nice.
Yeah.
This is. I would change my fridge to this one.
No, I don't think so.
You don't like this one?
It's
I
nice.
know the one that we're gonna get still. I'm
Yeah,
just
but
saying.
It seems like it have a next party.
What is this? Ice milk?
Yeah.
Oh, this is okay. These are what, dryers?
Yeah, these are dryers, guys. You see, they have a wide variety of dryers.
849. 849.
See, I finally find one now.
Alright, this yeah.
Oh, you can choose like a face. It's like a phone, you know.
Yeah.
You can even play music on it.
Wow.
Let me see inside. Yeah, this look more little more spacious.
I like this.
It's both
Is this the one that you can see what inside the fridge without opening it?
Yeah. But you can't use it because I don't have this thing.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, this one is for $2,399.
2,399. And these are some washing machines over here. Guys, washing machine.
They know everything you see in red now.
Washing machine. Yeah, guys, everything that you see in red light and top here, they are on sales. And Black Friday sales, a matter of fact. Air fryer.
Yeah, Ninja air fryer, guys, $219 on sale. And it's a 2-drawer air fryer.
Yeah,
You can cook 2 things at the same time.
this is good. And the price is lovely.
Coffee lovers, all you iced coffee lovers, this is you. $83.
$83. Wow, this is really Black Friday deals.
Air fryer again, $79. Air fryer.
$49.
we're in the camera section now. As you can see, let Ronaldo show it to you. This is the outside camera with the lights. With the mirror, something lights, what do you call them? Motion sensor light.
Yeah.
This is for your doorbell or your door lock. No, your door lock or door.
Yeah, it's a door lock, but it's still it have bell. It's nice because it's a door lock with camera and with a bell on it.
Okay.
And the price, guys, again.
So this is an invisible smart lock. So it works with your phone. It works with your phone, it works with your watch. You're gonna see. Let them see on the screen.
Oh yeah? So you don't need a key anymore, just your phone.
Even work with a card too.
Like hotel. This is it, guys.
I like this.
Yeah.
Because you see, guys, this is
Smart.
it is smart, and this can end up saving your life too.
Yeah.
Because
You don't have to find time to
find time for the key,
find key. You just come with a watch.
and open the door. Yeah,
open.
this is a good buy.
Yeah, guys, so there you have it for Best Buy early bird Black Friday deals.
Yes, guys.
And guys, as you hear, the manager was explaining to us that those prices will remain the very same for Black Friday.
Yeah,
So
true.
so if you come down to any of the Best Buy stores, you will get your early bird Black Friday deals. Nessa, what you have to say about this
Yes, that's true.
this store here?
Yes, guys, that's true. I guess they have new strategy for this Black Friday. So they have the sale going on from now, and it will be the same. So the crowd won't have to be in here on Black Friday itself.
At once.
Yeah, at once. So everybody will get a chance to get their sale price the same as Black Friday coming, and throughout to Cyber Monday as well, guys.
Yeah, guys. So there you have it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Ren and Nessa
TV.
See you. Bye.